So I'm in Germany at Munich Mash. I'm gonna do the first test run on the course now and it looks massive. So I'm gonna head up there at the starting tower and try it out. Yeah, and Lennox, when he went, he braked like the first meter only, or?
Oh. No, I think half of it or something.
I think I brake the first 2 plywoods and then let go. Do you wanna do rock, paper, scissors, or who does it? Ah! No.
You can
or should I just...
want to.
Okay, now it's actually no wind. Okay. Whoa! Crazy! That was insane! I feel like my back wheel is gonna blow again, no?
I have no idea, but that was crazy.
I went far.
You survived.
Yeah.
How are you braking?
I braked the first...
First 2?
Yeah, the first 2 and then I let go.
Okay.
I went very deep, yeah. Probably like Lennox, if not... Oh, that was actually insane. I didn't believe I was gonna go that far. The lip was very mellow and... yeah, a bit scary actually, but I need to go for it again, I guess, and then brake more. I landed and my ankles like got warm, because the impact was so crazy.
Yeah, I feel like you have to go the whole thing till the transition and then let it go.
Yeah, I just go for another one.
Yeah.
For the speed. Shit! Whew. Crazy. I still went so far. I have never felt such a different feeling jumping a ramp from how it looks.
Yeah.
Feels like a bone log. I go for one more and then the spine is sketchy. Wow. Okay, Bern is gonna do a test jump as well. Let's see. Yeah. Ooh. Dude, like that, it was good though. I mean,
Yeah. But you can brake like so much.
it's insane.
Too much.
So this is the spine. Can you see how sharp the edges are? It is crazy. Even the BMX riders thinks it's a bit too crazy, which is good. And on this contest we're gonna do mountain biking and BMX at the same jumps, but we're gonna judge them differently. So it will be a cool event. Also cool to ride with the BMX guys a bit. Yeah. We had some practice runs now. Tomorrow we have a whole other day of practice and then hopefully we do some more bangers, and they are also gonna cut the spine so it will be a bit more mellow, a bit shorter. I think it will be way better then. So yeah, let's see tomorrow again and do some more riding. Second day of practice now, we're gonna try out the new ramp. They also cut the spine, which is very nice. Some people are up on the starting tower now, so we're gonna see how it looks and then head up there for practice. Yeah, nice. It looked good now.
Yeah, it's like speed-wise almost the same.
Yeah,
Just maybe. I think if you do the same like yesterday, you'll be perfectly fine. Maybe like half a meter less, but hard to say.
okay. Felt way better today. Yo, now it's very good.
Better?
Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
Now when I flipped the first one, I didn't break that much even.
Same, I just break a little less.
Yeah. Because you can like go high now.
Yeah. Yes.
Did those always blow that much? No?
Like before was better, no?
Yeah. Oh, it's 35 degrees here. It's insanely hot. Stoked to do some tricks now, but the speed is actually very hard to judge. It's different every time. And it's a bit windy on and off, as it usually is on contests. But yeah, fun. Today we can do some tricks and hopefully get a good contest going. Yeah. Yo. Oh, can I see it?
Oh, it's in the best.
Oh,
So crazy.
oh yeah, thank you. Woo.
Solid.
Yeah.
Yo!
Oh! Yeah, sure. Wait for it. Yo. Yeah, of course. Stoked on the practice. I'm gonna chill a bit now and watch the other riders send it. So cool. Contest tomorrow. Yeah. Oh. Yo. Yeah. Yeah. Yo. Okay, finals day. We're doing some practice warm-ups. I need to track the spine. That's my challenge. I think I need to flip it or something. A bit scared of it, but I think it should be good. I mean, could land flat. I have suspension, so let's see. Annoying. Okay, the contest is starting in 20 minutes. I pretty much have a run I can do. A bit tricky with the spine and also the quarter pipe. But I did the tail whip now, so I'm gonna do that in my run. And then, yeah, we have 3 runs, best one count. So we have really time to step up the riding, and yeah, it will be cool. Let's go. Yeah. There you go. Okay, I landed flat. I didn't know I was gonna have speed for a corky, so I did a flip triple bar, but I think I had speed, so now I know. I just do the corky now. Oh!
Alanko gearing up for getting down.
Yeah, sitting in between Erik Vetko and Lennox Zimmerman. Only needs a bit more than 2 points to jump over Erik Vetko. Now let's go and chase Alex. Backflip, bar spin, tail whip.
Perfect landing on that.
360 backflip.
Oh, this is looking so good.
Tail whip and double bar spin. And I think on the second jump, that backflip 360, opposite footed as well.
Oh, stoked I'm in first after that run. It's hard now though because there's no rear rack and Eric's starting after me. So I don't know if I'm gonna step it up or if I gonna do something more chill. I will just see how I feel and go for it. I mean, it's worth second place, but it would be cool to yeah, keep the position I have now. Yeah, let's see. Exciting. Oh, crazy vibe. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah. It's crazy. The helmet is like, I can do it all the time. Yeah.
To kill with backflip, kill up, backflip to kill it, to make it really fine. Für den Neuaufschwung für Double A, Alex Alanko.
So let's check this out.
Full speed backflip, bar, bar, kicking it, tail whip, catching it on the front crank and the pedal. But still, I mean, that combination,
So gnarly.
tail whip, bar spin.
In goes to Alex Alanko with a 91.66.
Ersten Platz der Sieger des Munich Mash Mountainbike Events im Finale. Er war Schwede, nimmt das Rennen für Alex
City boy with a country swing. First we went from the court to the bikes, back to the course of my younger days. Lived through it all, but still nothing changed. Forever be me till I'm in the grave. Face on my problems, don't run away. Stand on my feelings, don't need a chase. Just shoot me straight. I'm like an acrobat, a circus act, like they got me in a cage. I could go tit for tat, the gift the gab, but can't give it to the hate. I'ma just tip my cap and dip right back to my little happy place.